Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Xbox Series X cover dust is probably one of the most important accessories for your console, protecting your valuable investment from dust, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. This video will take an in-depth look at various dust covers available on the market, comparing their features, quality, and overall value to help you make an informed decision and ensure your Xbox Series X stays in pristine condition for years to come, delivering peak performance without the worry of dust accumulation impacting its functionality. Number 5. FYOUNG Xbox Series X Dust Filter. Is dust accumulating in your Xbox Series X? It's time to protect your console and keep it running smoothly. This is the solution. This anti-dust filter is custom-made for your Xbox Series X. It's the perfect fit for both the top and back of your console. These convenient filters help keep your console clean, reducing dust buildup and extending the life of your fan. Easy to use and maintain. No screws needed. Installation is quick and easy. Simply attach it to your console and you're ready to go. It's designed to be sleek and unobtrusive, so it won't affect the look of your console. Enjoy clean gaming without compromising style. You get 2 dust filters, 4 thumb grips, and a set of silicone dust plugs. Everything you need to keep your Xbox Series X in top condition. What we like. It's super easy to install, and its simple design won't clash with your console's aesthetics. You get 2 sets, providing backups and extending the life of your console. If you value ease of use and a clean look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to install, easy to understand, just all around easy. It's a good way to reduce the amount of dust going in and out of your Xbox, and it doesn't make it any hotter since it covers the big fan. The mesh pattern is very similar to the one on my PC, and it is very good at holding the dust at bay or at the very least reducing it. The plugs for the unused ports are great, and depending on what you connect, it'll leave a couple behind. The thumbstick covers are great, it fits over my worn out OEM ones and has bumps for a more tactile feel. The plugs for the ports fit well and stay in place, and the extra joystick covers were a lovely addition and also made the controller a bit nicer with the black buttons and blue controller. If you live in a dusty place, it's worth every cent. Number 4. MENEEA Xbox Series X Cooling Fan. This device offers multiple functionalities, including cooling, dust protection, customizable lighting, and USB ports. It helps prevent overheating and dust accumulation, extending your console's lifespan. Remember, you can remove the dust cover for faster heat dissipation when the console is running. It features a high-speed fan to quickly exhaust hot air, reducing your console's temperature. The fan has 3 speed settings, controlled by a touch switch, with low noise operation for an enjoyable gaming experience. This cooling stand boasts a customizable light strip with 6 solid colors and 1 mixed color mode. Easily change colors using the independent touch switch to personalize your gaming setup. It provides 2 USB ports, a blue 3.0 port for high-speed data transfer and a white 2.0 port for charging devices like controllers or phones. Conveniently access USB functionality while gaming. The top of this cooling stand is dustproof, and it includes dust covers for the console's ports and silicone dust plugs. This helps keep dust out and prolongs the life of your console. What we like. This one boasts a cooling fan, colorful lights, and extra USB ports. The cooling fan helps keep your console running smoothly, while the lights add a cool ambience. If you need extra functionality and improved cooling, this is the one for you. What people say. It's a great fit for an Xbox Series One X. It's easy to install and works immediately. Fan is really quiet as well. It has different LED color options and includes 2 USB ports for charging controllers or whatever else. Looks really slick and matches well. This device keeps my Xbox Series X nice and cool, exactly as I need. The LED color change function is great for matching the color changing motifs of what lives on my desk. The 3 fan speed settings are great for anticipating heavy gaming sessions with AAA games, in addition to keeping the console breezy for casual play. Easy to install, took but a few seconds. The silicone dust covers are great for keeping dust and detritus out of unused ports on the front and back of the console. It does help keep the Xbox X cool. The important thing to remember is to take the top off while playing games so the cooler air can circulate better into the unit. Number 3. Mcbazel Xbox Series X Cover. This cover is tailor-made for your Xbox Series X, keeping it safe and looking great. It's designed for vertical placement only. Made from durable 1680D Oxford cloth, it's water repellent and protects against scratches and dust. Keep your console in pristine condition. With its clever cutaway design, you can easily access the cable ports without removing it. No more unplugging and replugging. It's incredibly easy to put on and take off, and cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe it down for a fresh look. Remember to remove it when your console is powered on to prevent overheating. Enjoy optimal performance and protection. Get yours today and experience the peace of mind that comes with knowing your Xbox Series X is well protected. It's the perfect blend of style and function. What we like. It's made of a water-repellent material and features a design for easy cable access. This cover protects your console from scratches and dust. If you're looking for a protective case that's easy to use, this is a great option. What people say. Fits my Xbox Series X in the vertical position perfectly. Easy to slip on and off. Keeps the vast majority of dust away from your console when it is on and the console isn't in use. Material isn't coarse, so I don't fear it scratching the console or anything like that. It simply fits perfect and is a quality material. The fit was my biggest concern, but putting it on is a breeze. It's not loose, but it's not tight. It's super lightweight too. The cover does its job perfectly. An extra thing to know, the bottom of it touches the desk so no dust can enter from underneath too. Number 2. Xbox Series X Dust Filter Kit. This kit is specially designed to keep your Xbox Series X console dust-free, extending its lifespan and ensuring optimal performance. It's easy to install and use, protecting your console from dust and debris. The included silicone plugs seal your console's ports, preventing dust from entering. The mesh covers protect the cooling fans, ensuring efficient airflow and preventing overheating. Simply peel off the protective film and align the mesh covers with your console's vents. The silicone plugs easily fit into the console's ports. It's quick and easy. Made from durable, high-temperature resistant materials, it will last. These covers are reusable and won't deform over time, providing long-lasting protection for your console. The kit includes 8 dust plugs for mesh covers and 6 thumb grips for your controllers. Everything you need to keep your Xbox Series X in top condition. Get yours today. What we like. This kit includes 8 dust plugs for mesh covers and even thumb grips for your controllers. The comprehensive protection keeps dust out of every crevice. If you want maximum dust protection and extra controller accessories, this is for you. What people say. The protector helps protect against dust. I have even moved across the country and it's still for the most part dust-free. The dust filter kit is specially designed for the Xbox Series X, so it fits perfectly and does not interfere with the performance or appearance of the console. The dust plugs are easy to install and remove, and they prevent dust from entering the USB, HDMI, and power ports. The dust mesh covers are also easy to apply and remove, and they block dust from entering the fan area. Number 1. FASTSNAIL Xbox Series X Cooling Fan. This amazing accessory perfectly combines a top cooling fan, RGB lighting, a dust filter, and extra USB ports. It protects your console from overheating and keeps it clean, enhancing your gaming experience. Unlike other fans, this high-performance fan sits on top, easily dissipating heat. You can adjust the speed in 3 levels for optimal cooling and quiet operation. It features a top fan, side dust filter, and port plugs to prevent dust, moisture, and particles from entering. This helps maintain peak performance and extends the life of your console. Enjoy a customizable gaming atmosphere with its unique RGB light bar. Choose from 7 colors and effects, easily controlled with an independent touch switch. In the box, you'll find the fan, 2 sets of dust covers, and a set of rubber plugs. It provides 360-degree protection for your console. Console not included. Upgrade your gaming setup with this must-have accessory. It keeps your Xbox Series X cool, clean, and looking great. What we like. This option offers an RGB light, a 3-speed fan, and comprehensive protection for your console. The customizable lighting enhances your gaming setup, while the fan ensures optimal cooling. If you want a visually appealing and highly functional solution, this is the best choice. What people say. The top dust cover does indeed remove easily, and I found this very helpful because some of my games get the Series X running really hot regardless of time played. The fan itself works great. Turn off your console and you can feel how much heat it draws out of your Series X. 3 fan speeds and tons of different LED patterns, functions and colors. I love that the fan and lights can be used independently or at the same time. Easy to set up, does its job with no problem. Works as advertised, pretty silent operation. Doubt you can hear it even at 5 feet over any video game sounds. Love the extra rubber dust covers included for various ports, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.